Another car, another day na naman tayo today. So, hi everyone, Laika here and welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. So, for today's video is sasamahan nyo kung pagkumparahin natin yung heat rejection dito sa other brand na ginamit ni client na pinakabit sa sasakyan niya versus dito sa Nano-Tech ceramic tint na pinakabit naman niya sa windshield. Guys, imagine this. Sobrang init and nasa biyahe ka pa. Then super traffic and worst of all, walang tint yung sasakyan mo. Super hassle, diba? So, ito yung gagamitin naming equipment para i-check yung heat rejection ng film and dito natin makikita kung gaano kalakas mag-block ng unit. As you can see, is mas mataas yung heat rejection ng Nano-Tech film ni LA compare sa ibang brand. Bababa lang talaga and kita agad yung difference. And here's the final result, guys. Super clean pa rin even from inside the car. But you are fully protected with UV and heat rejection. And from the outside naman, ang ganda ng shade and you still get that privacy. So inside clear vision ka, outside protected ka. So get yours now here at LA.